So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Hey, it's me, Blippi. Are you excited to draw with me? Yeah, I am too. And today, you and I are gonna draw a fruit. Yeah, not a vegetable, a fruit. Hey, and will you guess what fruit it is? I'll describe it to you. It's a big fruit. It's circular. Yeah, nice and round. It's very heavy. It's green on the outside, but when you cut it open on the inside, what you eat is the color red. Yum! Yeah, it's a watermelon. Not just any watermelon, it's a COCOMELON watermelon. Are you excited? Yeah, let's draw. Okay, first I'm gonna take the color green and draw a big circle. Woohoo! There we go, just like that. Whoa, perfect! And then on the inside, we're gonna draw a square with rounded edges. Yeah, and that's a TV. There we go. Whoa, 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 yeah! And now let's draw some watermelon lines. Whoa, yeah! There we go. Perfect. Whoa, yeah! Wow, now it's looking like a watermelon, right? Okay, I'm gonna take the color black though next, and then I'm gonna draw the top. Yeah, the antennas. Draw a half circle just like that, and then whoop, whoop, whoop. Yeah, there we go. Whoa, small little circles just like that. And then what about for the face right here? Yeah, two big eyes. One circle right there. There we go. Oh, fill it in with the color black. So then this watermelon can see. And there's another one right there. Okay, what are we missing right here? Right here. Yeah? Okay, the nose. Boop. And then a big smile. Whoa! Yeah, that definitely looks like the COCOMELON watermelon. Wow! Did you have fun drawing with me? Yeah, I had fun drawing with you. If you want to draw more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye.
Come on, everyone, let's make learning fun. So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Activate Blippi Station! It's time to get up and shout. I wonder what we'll learn about Blippi!
Holy smokes! A volcano! That's right, Debo. When a volcano erupts, smoke and hot lava come out the top of it. I wonder, what makes a volcano erupt? Great idea! We'll go inside a volcano and find out. I'm gonna need wings, spider legs, and the heat shield.
Wings, spider legs, heat shield, confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. The Blippi-mobile is ready for adventure. Let's go through the side vent into the volcano. Whoa, whoa! Oh, it sure is hot in here.
Hey there, I'm Maggie the Magma Monster.
Hey, it's me, Blippi, and this is Debo. We want to learn what makes a volcano erupt.
You're in for a real treat, Blippi and Debo. Speaking of treats, below us, deep in the earth, the planet's heat is melting rocks into liquid, also known as magma, like me.
You're right, Debo. It is like one of our favorite games. The floor is lava. Whoa!
Magma becomes lava after it erupts out of the volcano.
Whoa!
So I guess I'm the floor.
Whoa! We're getting higher.
That's because the more rocks melt below, the more magma rises here in the chamber.
Hey, I wonder where this goes.
Look out, Blippi!
Magma!
the volcano builds until we push through the crust or the top of the earth. Hold on! Much better.
Maggie, what a blast! And I got the answer to my question. What makes a volcano erupt? A volcano erupts when the hot magma inside it builds pressure and bursts through the surface of the Earth. Upload answer, Debo.
That was fun, Blippi. Hope you loved it.
We did! Bye-bye, Maggie.